welcome back to Review Max. Today I got a little comparison video for you guys between the JBL and Sony. This is the JBL Go 3 and the Sony SRS-XB13. I figured I'd make this video for anyone looking for a last minute gift that won't break the bank. Both of these guys are under $50. So we'll have an unboxing, sound test, and then final thoughts on which one I think is best. All right guys, let's get to it. Let's start with the JBL. As far as presentation, for sure the JBL, I think, takes it in this case. I mean, you know, this one looks like it's stuck in the 90s as far as packaging goes, but this one looks pretty cool. So let's just start off with this one. Now make sure you have a knife with you guys. Okay. Okay, so we got all the books. Let's see what kind of charger we get with this. Looks like Type-C already. Pretty cool, comes with it. Just books and stuff like that. Pretty simple, to the point. First impressions, looks very good, sturdy, and stylish. All right, let's go with the Sony. So this one's coming in at $48, while the JBL is at $30. So I want to see if that makes a difference as far as sound goes. So both of these do come with a charger. Let's see, the JBL charging cable is definitely a little cooler looking, but that doesn't really matter. Okay, let's see. I definitely like this strap. It feels nice. It's not as new looking, but definitely the material around is nice. I like the buttons, how they're looking so far. So, okay, I'm going to get them fired up, tested, and we'll be back. Okay, guys, it's time for the sound test. Let's do the JBL first at full volume. Let's go.
I just wish he knew. I just wish he knew.
Alright guys, now it's the Sony's turn. Let's see how it does.
I just wish you knew. I just wish you knew.
Alright guys, we're back. So that was the sound test, which was very interesting to be honest. Now, before I tell you which one I think sounds better, let me tell you about the features. So the JBL has 5 hours of playtime, 16 hours of playtime. They're both IP67 water and dust proof. Carrying straps, 30 bucks, 48 bucks. This one you can make calls. You can't make calls with this one. Now, as far as looks, this one obviously I think looks better. It's more modern. It's definitely of today's era and all of that. This one's stuck in the 90s. The coolest thing about it is this little strap. The design too is not too interesting. You know, I guess the best thing about it is you get the brand name. You can, you know, face it that way or whatever. Also JBL is a brand name. The unboxing doesn't really matter, but this one obviously had better presentation. It's just a little more newer in every single way when it comes to that. Now, when it comes to the sound, this one's louder for sure. Has a good amount of bass, as JBL is known to be. And this one is not as loud, but the sound is a little more clear and richer. And definitely more bassy. You know, I'm sure you saw in the sound test, you know, it just moves. So this one, obviously, you have to face. This is a 360. You can put it in the middle, anywhere, whatever. When it comes to that, I don't have a preference. You know, I could just aim this anywhere or put it in the middle. Same thing with this. I usually like to put my speakers in a corner. But now, as far as which one I would keep this one. I guess just because it's like at least a good 15% louder. It just makes your immersion a lot better. It makes, you know, watching videos, music, or anything, movies, just a lot better. you know, if you didn't have them side by side, this would be a great speaker as well. Nothing wrong with it. Obviously has a little bit more features, more battery life, but you know, both side by side, which one would I keep? Just based on the sound, which is the most important thing, it'd be the JBL. So all right guys, that's the end of it. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and see you guys next time.